Hello, welcome back. My name is Laura, and today I'm happy to introduce to you our M10. Keep watching to see the unboxing.
This is our M10, available for devices Type-C and iPhone phones. The microphone inside the box is commonly used by bloggers due to it supports 20 meters wireless range and omnidirectional sound pickup. It has no delay on transmission
And a smart noise reduction.
Inside the box you can also find the charging cable and the user manual. M10 is really easy to use due to its real-time sync, plug and play. You can also find this device with two different receivers.
If you want to know about the newest products in China, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and also on my personal account. See you there. Bye-bye.